What's up, y'all? I came out here to do a little bow fishing today. One thing I've been wanting to try here for a few months now. I've heard this from a few guys, mainly in Arkansas. Apparently buffalo ribs are pretty good eating. Now buffalo's a type of sucker. Some of y'all know that. They're native to the southeastern US, so they're not invasive, but they are everywhere, and I shoot a bunch of them. So with all these buffalo I'm shooting, most of the time they just go with the rest of the fish into the compost pile to make fertilizer. But I've really been wanting to try these buffalo ribs. Reason why the ribs and not the rest of the fillet, because like other suckers and like carp as well, they have these forked Y bones up in the top of the fillet and the thick part of the meat. It's kind of a pain. Apparently the ribs are good, and the rib bones are big, long, solid bones you can just pull out. And I brought a few things to cook. Just got to find a gravel bar to pull up and fry some up. Before I can do any of that, we got to shoot some fish. So I'm cruising this deep spot here. We're going to circle around and fish this mud flat where I usually see a lot of buffalo. Yes, there's buffalo everywhere. They're everywhere. Over top. Right over the top. There's another one still sitting. Feisty. There we go. Let's get a few in the boat and then we'll go fillet some. Stoned him. What? He's fighting. Not much. There we go. Buffalo are thick in here today. Silver carp. Buffalo. Chilling right here, right on the surface. Skewered him. He made it too easy. He just sat there. Good one. He might pull out. That's a good fish. scale. We got him. That's the biggest buff of the day. Actually, he's in there really good. All the way through him. Okay, here's our ribs cut into strips. There should be a big rib bone going through each one of these. Kind of a sloppy job. It's the first time I've ever done fish this way, but all things considered, I think it looks all right. So I brought some seasoned flour with me. Look at that rib bone. That thing's huge. Oh yeah. It's not muddy. It's not real fishy. It just tastes like good fried fish. Yeah, I like it. Definitely worth doing again. I got the light so I can do a little fishing here after dark. And then I'll call it a night, but